Okay, today's review for foodage is new cracker. Cracker brought to you by Kellogg's. They usually do cereal. You see there, Kellogg's. Kellogg's, they usually do cereal. Toll House cookies, crackers. Not cookies, crackers. Apparently they're the perfect topping for, they're like the Ritz, I guess what you could call them. You know, Ritz are supposed to be buttery. Well, this is light and buttery flavor. Original is what it says, original flavor. So hopefully they're good. Made by Kellogg's in Canada. 160 calories per 10 crackers. 10 grams of fat. And a bunch of other stuff. Sodium 280 milligrams per 10 crackers. Wheat flours, vegetable oil, sugar, salt, baking soda, sodium acid, pyrophosphate, cornstarch, monocalcium phosphate, ammonium bicarbonate. There's a bunch of stuff in crackers that we don't really need. Look at all these ingredients. Wheat flour, vegetable oil, sugar, phosphate, cornstarch, wheat and soy. Ugh. Take a look at those ingredients there. You don't really need those ingredients. You gotta say so. It's just kind of ridiculous. But anyway, let's open this thing up here. Oh, they come in rows. Forgot to mention right here, in the United States, they're made by Keebler. They come in one, there's two. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 rows in one of these boxes. The box is now empty, as you can see. I'll probably end up putting the other ones back in. And end up putting them away, just because. They smell like a Ritz. Putting on the Ritz. They smell like a Ritz cracker. They're salty on the top. They're a salted top. Even though they're not called salted tops, they're a salted top. The butter comes not right away, after the fact. 3 to 5 seconds after you put it in your mouth is when that butter comes through. I'm telling you. You see that there? Just salt on the top of that. Let's see if we can get a focus in here a little bit. Can we focus in on that? Come on, focus in there with me. Anyway, it looks really good. Very good quality, from what I know. And crispy cracker. Buttery. You know what? They're not round like the Ritz. They're a bit thinner than the Ritz. You can tell. They're a knockoff of the Ritz. By Kellogg's. The people that bring you corn flakes and Rice Krispies and such. It's really good though. Want to hear the crack again? Listen. Can you hear that? Oh. Numma. You know what that'd be really good with? A pate, cream cheese. Anything. Meat. Cheese whiz, pate, peanut butter. Peanut butter will be number 1 on one of these. Really though? Townhouse by Kellogg's. I was gonna say Colgate. Yeah, it's not a toothpaste. You see up there? There's cheese. And cheese goes good on crackers. So that's why you would want to buy it. Because cheese and crackers are good. Unless you're lactose intolerant. But there are cheeses that you don't have to put they don't have lactose in them. So you can have those types of cheeses. Those ones are good too. Or like a goat's cheese, but I'm pretty sure there's still probably lactose in that. It fueled me for a second with my ginger ale of Canadian dry descent. One more cracker. One more cracker just because it's that good. Mm-hmm. You know what? Peanut butter. Cheddar. Matcha. Even Kraft Singles cheese. I'm not a really big fan of that. You want to see something really good? You put a Kraft Singles slice of cheese over an egg, and then that shit melts over top of it. Man, Kraft Singles cheese is that American style fake processed cheese. That stuff melts like no other thing you could ever imagine. I hate the stuff on any other stuff. On any other thing, but you melt it, it just becomes something completely different and something completely brand new. You know what I mean? And there's been results. This has been my review of the Townhouse Original. That's in French. Original buttery flavored knockoff of Ritz crackers. Yeah, I give it like a. If they're on sale and they're cheaper than the Ritz, then buy these ones. If the Ritz are cheaper or the no names are cheaper, buy them. They're the same as the Ritz. No better, no worse. They're just a different brand. So if you're fussy about brands, well then you're you and I'm me. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this one. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. You can't see me, but I can see you. Talk to you soon.